Hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the iOS 15.4 Beta 4. My name is Jay, you are watching Tech Hype. Let's get right into today's video without wasting any more time, shall we? Alright, so on the screen you can see these are the build number of this update, and first of all let's talk about what all updates Apple released today. So the number one is the iPadOS 15.4 Beta 4, then the iOS 15.4 Beta 4, then there is macOS 12.3 Beta 4, and last but not the least there is watchOS 8.5 Beta 4. Also, I guess there is a tvOS update today too, 15.4 Beta 4 of tvOS, but I don't think so you guys do run tvOS betas on your Apple TV, or do you? Let me know down in comments below. Alright, so for the short period of time that I played with this update on my device, I have some things to say. Number one, there is nothing to be much excited about in this update. There is nothing major going on here. Talking about the new wallpapers, yes, you were correct, there are no new wallpapers. Apple again did it. Apple again just embarrassed us and did not give us new wallpapers in this update. Some of you guys were asking me that is there any chances of getting new wallpapers on this update, but to be honest, I have just left the hope of getting new wallpapers on iOS 15. Let's just hope that Apple will add some new wallpapers in the future on the iOS 15.5 or maybe iOS 16. By the way, be sure to subscribe to our channel because we are so close to 10k, and as you can see, I am one of the first person to talk about what's new in iOS and all these Apple products, what's going on, what all tech matters for you guys. So consider hitting that subscribe button, and now that you have done that, let's move on and talk about battery life. Battery is something which is a bit too early for me to report as of now, but do not worry, wait for my follow-up video. You can turn on notifications. I will report the battery and how screen on time is going on compared to the beta 3 on my device. But for the short span of time that I played with this update, I think it is about the same as earlier, but we have to wait and see what improvements we have gotten on this update. There are some bug fixes with this update. Also, there are a cellular connectivity bug on iPhone XR and iPhone 11 that some people were facing. You guys did DM'd me on Twitter at the rate Tech Hyped. If you do have any query or you just want to talk to me, you can just DM me over on Twitter. I will talk to you guys and try my best to resolve your query. So that bug is now fixed. Then there is storage bug. Some people were having false storage reported on their devices, so that bug is also resolved in this update. At the end of the day, there is not much that's going on with the iOS 15.4 beta 4. That is still boring, and well, yes, not gonna lie, it is a bit better compared to the previous beta, which is should be, because earlier, if you do watch this channel, you know we have been going through some betas on iOS 15 when every beta was just getting more and more buggier. So at least this update is not as much buggy as it was earlier. Talking about performance is about the same as the previous beta. The smoothness feels about the same. I can't really figure out a lot of difference compared to the previous beta, but yes, this feels a tad bit less silky compared to the beta 3, but this is completely normal. Don't worry if you are on a previous beta. Do not worry, just update on this beta. It is much better than the previous one for sure. But still, you can wait for some time, wait for a day or two for my follow-up video to be up on this channel, and then I can give you my final verdict on is it worth updating your device to this beta or not. That's pretty much it for this video. If you did find this video helpful, entertaining and informative, consider hitting that subscribe button. We are so close to 10k, and I want to get to 10k as soon as we can. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I will catch you guys in the very next episode. Peace.